Hey guys, welcome to NS Tech Videos. Today I'll be showing you how to hard reset an iPhone without the home button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you get a notification each time we upload a video. So let's go ahead and get started. So before on the iPhones when we had the home button, to do a hard reset, you would just press and hold the power button and the home button at the same time to do a hard reset. But now since we don't have the home button, how do you do that? If you press and hold the power button, it doesn't really do anything. And if you press the volume up button and power button at the same time, it will take you to the screen to turn the phone off. So you can slide to turn your phone off. So how do you do a hard reset? You press the volume up button once, then volume down, and press and hold the power button. And keep holding the power button down until you see the Apple logo flash on the screen. So you'll see, there you go, Apple logo is on, and this is how you do a hard reset on an iPhone that does not have a home button. And if you like the video and it helped, please give it a thumbs up. It motivates me to do more videos like this. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.